Sathan Yogi. I'm here to presenting AKN messaging technologies at this time of moment. One of our product is SmartPay. As you can see that this is something that we had recently launched with Pakistan Telecommunication Authority. That the vision of the regulators is to have one unified payment gateway switch. And for that, Alhamdulillah, AKN messaging technology has been shortlisted. In this, the main purpose for which AKN messaging technology has been shortlisted by SBT and PATA only because of the reason that we are the only one in this market who can provide secure SMS, peer-to-peer or peer-to-peer application, or secure voice, or some sort of secure IP-based payment system, and this can only be provided by AKN messaging technology. The whole technology behind it is worldwide patent by World Intellectual Property Organization along with the US Patent and Trade Authority. You can witness over here that how this payment, we have discussed payment security dilemma in our presentation. Beside the payment security dilemma, we are also going to present a model where the whole industry can work together, where regulators, mobile network operators, technology provider can work together by giving the best practices and by giving the best solution to the market, which is cost effective, self-reliant, telco independent, and follows the KYC of the State Bank of Pakistan, which and following the branchless banking policy and regulations. As you can see on the screen, we are suggesting that a customer is confused when there are too many payment modules prevailing in the market. So the best offering is a win-win solution where we have a unified platform for m-commerce. And customer has only one way to access this. It's exactly a replica of the ATM like model. As I had mentioned earlier, these are a few rules and regulations that every player in the market for m-commerce, which is mobile network operators, banks, regulators, and technology enablers, should play their role. Our offer is a one unified single platform from where all sort of activities can be done. This platform is something that we want to offer to the market, which is open to all the players. If a Fundawan type player is there in the market, or a Paybox or Sybase 365, they all can just easily get connected to this unified platform and conduct their activities. Actually, it's consumer to business solution whereby we are only the technology enabler to this whole offer of ours. At this time of moment, you have been seeing the key concerns of the market, which are restricted coverage charges. Now we are introducing our SmartPay. SmartPay features are that it's a menu-driven, so it's a very user-friendly like ATM. It's highly secure, time-bound patent encryption module, self-reliant, telco-independent model, and very cost-effective as it's only using an SMS. Normal SMS charges are being deducted. This is a demonstration of a SMS mobile banking application. Very simple. Enter the password for the application. Menu, you can see the menu. You simply enter details from account to whom you want to pay, amount, and then the PIN number for the transaction to be carried on. Information can be verified on the screen. Encryption gives a pure confidence to the customer that the information is purely secure. This is a connectivity diagram for SMS gateway service of ours through a unified platform where the whole information is securely traveling through cell phone till end, which is a bank. This is a WAP mobile banking, which is basically an e-commerce solution using an internet channel, and it's again using our encryption module, which is a patented technology. Screenshots of our technology patent can be seen along with our code. PTA has shortlisted us and we have launched a unified platform with them for the first secure SMS gateway switch, and it is fully compliant to State Bank regulations. It is in use by Chief Government Security Officer, Government of Malaysia, and is again being used by Major General Chief Signal Officers of Malaysian Army. 4 e-security concerns are basically addressed over here very efficiently. Thank you.